Hey guys, welcome to 2025. What a better way to start the year than by showcasing this brand new inventory home that's available right now, built by David Weekley. Guys, we are in the community of Sandbrock Ranch in Aubrey, Texas. Aubrey is just north of Dallas, west of McKinney. We are just north of Frisco. Actually, this community, Sandbrock Ranch, is just in the it's in the new area of Aubrey, right? So that we have a downtown Aubrey, which is the older area of Aubrey, but here in Sandbrock Ranch and other communities, this is the new area of Aubrey, which we're really close to Prosper, Salina, Frisco, Little Elm. What's going on, guys? This is Gus and my lovely wife Carla, who is not able to be here today. We're both real estate agents here in the North Dallas area, so you guys can reach out to us. We would love to chat with you and see what your goals and your plans are to relocate, or maybe you're already here in Dallas and want to buy a brand new house. We would love to chat with you and answer all your questions and go over all the details with you. Our information is going to be up here. You can text us, you can call us, and you can go into the description of this video as well, so you can get our emails as well. Also, guys, before we continue, hit the like button, subscribe button, and that notification bell. All right, guys, so let's talk a little bit about this inventory home that's available right now. Again, this is a completed product. Just some minor things there that need to be touched up. But this is, guys, this is a 4-bedroom. This is a 4 full bath. This is obviously a 2-story home, and nice finishes, nice upgrades that they did to this house. It has a study, which you can use it for an office. Upstairs, you'll have a game room. So yeah, this is all the space that you need, guys. This is in this house right here. This is the Brays floor plan by David Weekley, and it's 2855 square feet, 50-foot lot product. So lots of yard space. You have a lot of yard space here in this house, and you're inside. You're on a cul-de-sac, which is really cool because you have no traffic coming in and out of the street. So you are in the cul-de-sac. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoy. If you guys want more details on this, I'm not going to talk about pricing because I don't want to confuse you guys, because listen, give us a call. David Weekley has this priced listed, but I want to go over all the details with you. If you are interested, give us a call, because we are able to get you into a great deal. So that's what we do as your real estate agents. We negotiate on your behalf with the builder. Remember, the builder's not here to represent you. The builders, they represent the builders. So the sales rep that you talk to, if you come in and talk to the sales rep for David Weekley, which we love, by the way, but if you go directly to them, they're not gonna, work on your behalf and negotiate on your behalf. This is why we're here for you, to get you the best deal possible. And I know that David Weekley is running some great incentives as far as like rate buy down. So give us a call, guys. I hope that you enjoy the walkthrough of this David Weekley home, and we'll see you at the end. All right, guys, so there you have it. Hey, do me a favor, leave a comment and let me know what was the best part for you. What was your favorite part of this floor plan of this house? I love where I'm standing right now, which is the living room space. Super, super high ceilings. And I know a lot of buyers are looking for that, right? Super high ceilings, very open concept, great finishes. This could be your dream home, guys. So hey, listen, give me a call if you want more information. Let's talk about the pricing, but I don't want to post that just everywhere because that could change. And I know that I can get you into this house with a great deal. So give us a call. The information is going to be up here. Don't hesitate. We would love to answer any questions that you may have. So if you are looking to move here into the North Dallas area, this is a great area to be in. Lots of activity going on, lots of businesses coming up here. We do have a Costco right up the street that is being built right now and should be done maybe in the next 2 to 3 months. So that's going to be a great plus. We did just open up a brand new HEB, which is a huge deal here in Texas. So yes, lots of businesses going up, lots of construction going up. US through 80 is being expanded, it's being worked on right now. So that's very excited for a lot of commuters that go to Dallas or just anywhere in general. There you have it. Guys, do me a favor and hit the like button, subscribe button, and that notification bell. We would love to hear from you. And thanks for watching this video. We'll see you next time. Bye.